Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good night. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salsa Nabila from the Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Department of Government Science, batch 2021. Here I will present or explain about the meat map that have with the term abstention weakens democracy. That I made according to me understanding. The democratic system incurring out power to a rotation using the general election method. Election are a process of quizzes. Someone to fill a certain political office. For example, executive office, legislative office to elect CFs. In the selection, there are principal units, including directly, general, confidential, and freedom. Directly means the votes. Directly means the votes are required to cast their decrees by lots directly and cannot be represented to general. General means that general election can be followed by all citizens who already have the right to ask the vote. Freedom means that votes. Free means that votes are required to cast their votes without any coercion from any party. Confidential means that the vote cast by the voter is confidential, only known to the voter himself. With weakens or golput. The golput itself found every election year. In Indonesian abstention exit in the 1921 and the time of the first election in the northern era, which was the symbol the of protects of student and your against to the holding of the election. In this era, being abstention, it's not appropriate quiz because it is an age of indifference to the future, is the future of the country and weaken it democracy. Abstention weakens democracy is effect, cause, and solution. Nah, in effects, number one, reflecting undemocratic. Two, give us effective value and give us for the situation politics. And then cause the public's the public distrust of the candidate to be chosen. And solution, one of them broke the people, into the social world, towards their vote. And then survey weekends in Indonesian. Now, based on the election commission data, in the 2015 legislative election rate is at 11%, and the golput is 24 percent. Will the participant of voters in the 2015 presidential election is 48 percent, 42% of registered voters selection golput. Autism, the participation of the voters in the years 1955 in 1999 election was high. This is by the low figure of golf, which is less than 10%. Okay, that was my presentation. There is a word error. Please go forgive. Thank you for all, and thank you for everything. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.